Hello students, welcome to CBSE Science series. We already studied about electrostatic force between the two stationary point charges. That is, when we place two stationary point charges at r distance apart, we know that there will be attractive force if two stationary point charges are like charges, and there will be a repulsive force if two stationary point charges are unlike charges according to Coulomb's law. Today we are going to learn about electric field. Now consider a point charge capital Q placed in vacuum at the origin O. If we place any other point charge small q at a point P and the distance between origin and the point P is r, then according to the Coulomb's law, the capital Q charge exert a force on the small q charge. Means the small q charge experience a force from the capital Q charge. But here there is no direct contact between these two point charges. Then how a small q charge experience a force from the capital Q charge? It is due to something present in the space around the capital Q charge. Due to that, the small q charge experience a force from the capital Q charge. That something around the capital Q charge in the surrounding is known as the electric field. Means the capital Q produces an electric field everywhere in the surrounding. When we place any other charge at any point around the capital Q charge, the field acts on the charge and produces a force. This is what about the electric field. Now how can we define the electric field? It's a region around any charged particle or a charged body in which if any other charge is placed, it experiences electrostatic forces known as the electric field. And the electric field produced by a charged body or a charged particle depends upon the amount of charge and the shape of the body. And the charge which produces the electric field is called source charge. Here capital Q is the source charge because capital Q producing the electric field. And the charge which experiences the effect of source charges is called test charge. Here small q is the test charge because small q experience a force from the capital Q charge, and the unit positive charge is taken as test charge. Here we consider the small q as unit positive charge because every charged particle produces electric field around it. So the small q charge also produces electric field around it, and due to that electric field, capital Q charge experience a force and it will tend to move from its original location. Here we need to study about the electric field of a stationary point charge. So the capital Q must remain at its original location, so that we consider the small q charge, that is test charge, as a small positive charge, means a small unit positive charge, so that the capital Q experience small and negligible force and it remain in its original location. That's why the small q charge is considered as unit positive charge. This is what about the electric field. In this chapter, we will study about the electric field produced by the point charge and multiple point charges, charged wire, charged sphere, charged sheet. Thank you.